coconut islands. I'd like to be a castaway with you. On a coconut island, there wouldn't be so very much to do. On a coconut island, I'd stare into your lovely eyes of blue. Then I'd walk for a mile and come running back to be with you. Oh, slaves of you and me forever.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
It is cold here in Hobart.
Really
Oh, very cold here in Hobart.
I'd love to be a castaway with you. On a coconut island, is that would be a dream come
Good morning, I'm Mark,
And I'm Shirley.
and it is day 34 of our 164-day Around the World cruise.
Day 34.
It is.
Wow.
We've spent the last few days transiting at sea from New Zealand to Hobart.
Oh yeah, that Tasmanian sea is a rough one.
Well, it wasn't as bad as last time.
No, it wasn't, but still a lot of people were wearing their patches and looking a little green.
So where are we going today, Shirley?
Today we're going to take a ferry and we're going to a museum. And tell us about that ferry ride, Mark.
Well, the ferry had two options. It had the standard option and it had the posh pit option. And when I further investigated and looked at the description of the posh pit, it said, and I quote, "It's fucking posh."
Fucking posh!
Yeah.
It really said that on the website.
It said that. It says that they're going to be serving us some snacks and inflating our egos.
Inflating our egos, like we need to inflate our egos anymore, don't we?
Yep, so that's what we're doing today. It's a little cloudy, but it's supposed to clear up later, and I think it's going to be a beautiful day in Hobart.
Yay!
See you
See
soon.
Go sailing on a coconut island. I'd love to be a castaway with you. On a coconut island, is that would be a dream come true.
Little breakfast, guys. So we got today potato pudding with some dukkha, Japanese potato with some croutons, and a beetroot with some goat cheese salad.
Mark,
And I'm Shirley.
and we are in the posh pit.
Posh pit.
It's fucking posh.
What?
It's fucking posh.
It's fucking posh.
Coconut island, there wouldn't be so very much to do. On a coconut island, I'd stare into your lovely eyes of blue. Then I'd walk for a mile and come running back to be with you. Oh, slaves will make a pair of weak slaves of you and me forever. And we blaze with days and primitive go sailing. I'd love to be a castaway with you.
Hi, Shirley.
Hi, Mark.
How was your day at Mona?
Oh my god. Seriously, it was fantastic.
It's really different, isn't it?
Really different. I've never been to a museum like this anywhere in the world.
Yeah, it is really special, and we're going to show you some pictures. Some of them are a little, you'll see.
Yeah, but you know, who would have thought there would be a museum like this so far? I mean, we're in the gateway to Antarctica.
Yeah.
Like, that's like at the end of the earth. It's like, who would think we would find such a fantastic museum?
Away with you. On a coconut island, there wouldn't be so very much to do. On a coconut island, I'd stare into your lovely eyes of blue. Then I'd walk for a mile and come running back to be with you. Oh, slaves will make a pair of weak slaves of you and me forever. And we blaze with days and go sailing on a coconut island. I'd love to be a castaway. Go sailing on a coconut island. I'd love to be a castaway with you. On a coconut island, 'cause that would be a dream come true. Slaves of you and me forever.
Yeah, Mark,
And I'm Shirley.
we're here at Moorilla, which is an absolutely incredible place. I don't even know how to describe it.
And we're sitting on a couch that is living, I swear.
Watch.
It's growling, it's vibrating, and it's barking. Bye.